This luxurious, custom-built, single-level home is ideally situated on more than 2 private acres at the top of Parrett Mountain View Estates, a highly sought-after gated community providing some of the best panoramic views of the valley. It's also conveniently located close to city amenities, yet it feels like you're a world away. The private drive takes you to this tranquil, expansive retreat, both impeccably landscaped and heavily wooded for the ultimate in privacy. From the grand entry, head inside and discover 10-foot lighted tray ceilings, Brazilian teak hardwood floors, and masterfully crafted built-ins. The 16-foot sliding glass doors open to breathtaking valley, city, vineyard, and 3 mountain views from the nearly 1,700 square foot cedar-covered and tiled terrace. The oversized gourmet kitchen has extensive Sapele mahogany cabinetry, built-in double ovens, an appliance garage, and even a built-in and plumbed coffee system. A hidden pass-through door offers easy access from the kitchen to the dining room. Inside the home office, discover a secret door to the primary bath, plus gorgeous wainscoting and built-ins. Enjoy movie night in the theater room with a 9-foot screen, surround sound, and a beautifully designed wet bar with granite countertops. Secluded on one side of the home sits the expansive primary bedroom suite with spectacular views. From here, head out to the terrace for your morning coffee while taking in the views. The spa-like primary bath features porcelain and marble counters, double vanities, a jetted tub, a walk-in shower with dual shower heads, and 2 walk-in closets. On the other side of the home, you'll find 2 additional oversized bedrooms with en-suites and walk-in closets. Plus a laundry room and second pantry, and an oversized garage with brand new epoxy flooring and a workbench with extra storage. Make memories while enjoying the built-in surround system throughout the living areas and the terrace. Connect with nature while enjoying the gorgeous landscaping and peaceful setting, where you're guaranteed year-round wildlife activity and incredible privacy. An additional unfinished basement storage space has exterior access. A custom-built, captivating home at the top of Parrett Mountain View Estates. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.